Hello everybody, Chris here from Melrose T-Tops in Illinois. We're going to cover real quick on how to get a roof off an 84 through early 86 Corvette that is stuck on due to the plate inside the frame being stripped out. So here's what we're looking at with the roof off the car. These plates inside the frame right here are the problem causer, and these threads will strip out, and at that point your only course of action is to replace it. So what you're going to have to do if you want to tackle this yourself is take a razor knife and completely cut this frame off the lens. Once that is done, this is what you'd be looking at. You got a little retaining plate here. You just got to bend this up. Once you take this little cone, locating cone off, this plate will come right out. And then you can simply put in a new plate and tab down, and it's repaired, aside from having to put the lens back on. If you're not comfortable with any type of glass work or auto body repair, I suggest maybe passing this on to someone in that field. You can also send it in to us. If you crack your lens in the process, we can also sell you a lens that we thermoform in-house following GM specs, and we provide those in the factory colors, which is the blue smoke or the bronze smoke. So if the roof is stuck on the car, this is what you are dealing with. This is the plate, and we'll go back up to our car that we started off with to show you what you're going to need to do, but this is what it's going to look like. And what's happening is you're trying to remove this bolt, and the threads are spinning inside the frame. What you're going to have to do next is completely remove this plate off the car, which is going to allow you to remove the roof and the plate as one assembly. Showing you exactly what I'm talking about on a car. I'll demonstrate that real quick. This is the only year we had, which is a body clip from 89 through 96, so it's the third design with the triangle plate, but same concept. They bolt to the frame the same way. So what you're going to see is from the inside the car, you're going to have your rear view mirror here, your visors. We just don't have them on here. You're going to have like 4 screws. And once you take those out, this trim panel, sorry, a little close, will come down, and it'll be hanging here by your visor wires. Once you unclip those, the whole thing will come down, but you can let it hang. There's no need to unclip them. And then this plate is the one we were talking about, so I can get a little lighter here. And these 2 bolts, gosh dang it. Once you remove these 2 bolts, this whole plate will unattach from the windshield frame and come off with the roof. So we'll go back to our other room now. So this is what you're going to get with the kit, the repair kit. It's going to do the entire roof, so both sides. It's got your left hand, driver's side, passenger side, locating cone for each, and the bolt that sits inside the car. It's going to be inside this plate. So you don't have to replace this. It comes with the kit either way, but if your threads are stripped out in here, you might as well inspect these closely as well. And if you have that trim panel down, it's just as easy as pulling this plastic cover off, retention cover. At that point, you just push this bolt out, and push the new bolt in. If you have, I've lined up all 3 designs here for reference. This is going to be the first design, which is what the video is about, and that's going to be 1984 through early 86. In 1986, they switched over. On the late 86s, they went to this, I got them out of order, sorry. They went to this style plate, and these threads are easily repaired by just removing this plate, and the plate on the back just remains in there that these attach to. And then you got third design. This is late 86 to 88, and then your third design is going to be 89 through 96, and that's identifiable by a triangle. Also the same way, just if this is damaged, all you gotta do is unbolt it. I think that about covers it. If anybody has any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I don't go on YouTube every day, but I will try and get to them and answer them accordingly. Thanks again.